Hey guys, in this video, we'll use Firebase Authentication to create a basic login and register functionalities in our app. This is a simple login page having email, password, login button and a register button. In our register page, we have name, email, password and a register button and a back to login button. In the login activity, we are initializing the view elements and set on-click listener for both the buttons. In the register activity, we are doing the same thing. Call finish in the back to login button so we can't come back here. And that's it. Now let's begin. Go to Tools, Firebase, Authentication, Email Password Authentication and click Connect to Firebase and create new project. You can also connect to Firebase via a traditional method of downloading the JSON and adding dependencies manually, but I feel this is easier. Next, let's click the Add Firebase Authentication to App. This adds the required dependencies to the Gradle file and syncs it. Create an instance of Firebase Auth and initialize the same in onCreate method. In the onStart method, get the current user from the Firebase. If the current user is not null, navigate the UI to the inside of the app, maybe a profiles page. Now let's create one. Create an intent to do the same. Let's call finish so user can't come back when back button is hit. In the register activity, same way we can create the instance of the Firebase auth and initialize it in the onCreate. In the register button click handler, use mauth.createUser with email and password. Before that, let's check whether the edit text are not empty. We can use textutils.isEmpty to check the same. If it's not empty, create the user in the Firebase auth. To know if it's successful, let's add a toast in the onComplete listener for success and failure. If it's successful, let's redirect the user to the profiles page. In the login activity, in the login button click listener, add mauth.signin with email and password. Before that, let's check if the fields are not empty the same way using textutils.isEmpty. If the login is successful, redirect the page to the profiles page and call finish so the user can't come back if bad button is hit. I guess we are completed. Now let's check the code by running in a physical device. One more thing before running the code, go to Firebase project, authentication, sign-in methods and enable the email password option. Now we are ready to go. Let's register a user. Registration is successful. Now let's clear the data so we can check the login page as well. Now let's log in. We can also see the newly created user in the Users tab in the Firebase Authentication. Hope the video is useful. Hit like, subscribe if you haven't already. See ya.